Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy whatever day it is. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, Moses. How are you guys this morning? How goes it? How goes it? We do have high impact news coming in 15 minutes. So I will stop trading at 8:53. More than likely. Actually, did not look at. I don't think I have to stop so early anymore. Let's see. Actually, I think I do. How's you guys' trading session going? What is this? The prior low? Yeah, it is. As you guys can see, I removed 2 of the half trends off my charts. Figured this is the best time to do it since I got to do it at some point anyway. Well, not have to, but it's what I prefer. So I went ahead and bit the bullet. Still don't have enough data for these divergences like this in the direction of the trend, so I'm not taking any of them today. It's kind of no point because I still don't know. Still 181. Oh, I think I'm in. I'm in multiple. It's alright. It's whatever. I'm still going on that account. Wait, am I? Yes, I am. Okay, there's the first trade. My first divergence trade. It was valid. I thought it wasn't valid anymore, but it was. It was like 2 volume away from invalidating itself. But this is what I was talking about and why I needed to add divergences back in. Because when we pull back too far for the traditional pullbacks to work, that's the only thing I have left, is to do some kind of like this kind of divergence in the direction of the trend. I ended up getting into double orders by accident, but you know, whatever. Oh, actually, it doesn't even matter because I wanted to be in 2 contracts and I was in 1, so whatever. It worked out. But yeah, this is why I spent so much time 2 nights ago trying to put divergence back in, because a lot of times the move up is a divergence play and not a pullback like this. So it worked. Good morning, Amelie Marie. Good morning. I love that name. How are you this morning? How's your trading going this morning? Thank you all. Sometimes E is. First level of short today is 720.25. All right, I'm gonna put that on my chart. I will be stopping in a minute and a half. What did you say? 720.25. That's how bad my memory is. 720.25. Got it. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? All right, I now have the correct 2 contracts. I don't know why I forgot to check that this morning. Is today Wednesday? Okay, it is. I'm pretty sure I just... Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. 490. Oh, I think I'm an idiot, you guys. I think I'm an idiot. Hold on. Oh yeah, I did change that back. Oh, I'm so dumb. So dumb. When did I change that? All right, well, I'm slow. All right, while I'm waiting for the high impact news, I have to go back because I think I'm slow. Give me just a sec. All right, that wouldn't be one. I think that I just sat out of that one for literally no reason. Oh, well, no. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. I thought I did. Something was supposed to... Okay. I messed that up. I don't know why I crossed that out. I wasn't supposed to. Alright, sorry you guys. Good morning, Sand. How are you this morning? I don't think I said good morning to you. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? How's you guys' trading? Target hit, greed deactivated. Just here for support. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, so I decided to go ahead and take my, I don't want to call it training wheels, but I went ahead and took the half trends off. Because like I told you guys, my goal was to get rid of them at some point anyway. And we've done just that. So literally my screen looks exactly like you guys's. The half trends served their purpose during the process of me putting this whole strategy together. But I noticed that I don't really need them. And honestly, when I was looking at only taking pullbacks at the golden levels or whatever, the Tony Ragos strategy over the weekend, I spent all my time doing it just to realize I can't take trades only at those levels because there are so many pullbacks that happen in between them, and we're not going to sit out and do nothing. However, in doing that, because I was trying to completely simplify by only taking trades at the golden levels, I had already took off the other two half trends because I basically kind of treated them like moving averages. You know, if I want to take pullbacks, you know, in the direction of the overall trend bias, the minor one needs to be in front of the other two kind of thing. So it's almost like having a 9, 21, and 50 EMA on your chart or something. But I noticed in the process of trying to do that with the golden levels that, hey, these pullbacks work just fine without you needing the other half trends. I just need the major one to tell me the overall trend bias. And that's really it. And that's only important because, you know, these kind of pullbacks, counter trend, require they have different volume requirements than if I'm going in the direction of the trend. So it is pretty important to still have that one. But yeah, so far we'll see what happens. But so far so good, I think. But we'll see over time. We will see over time. Up 139 in the green, nice. So saying, is your target $300 every day? Oh, thank you, Moses. Yes, and we hope to stay drama free, honey, because I was just talking to somebody about this yesterday. I'm like, look, I spent so much of my life, childhood, everything, dealing with depression and being angry and mad at the world and everything else. Like, once I did the work in my adulthood to find peace, okay, toxicity and drama just cannot live here. Now, I might report on some drama here and there, but I just don't. And it's another reason why, even though I did not want to create a Discord community, just because I just didn't want to feel obligated to be there 24/7, because I've had to do that in different times of my life with building communities and stuff. I also understand that it's important to extend the drama-free community you're trying to build into Discord, because people are in different Discords, but some of them, they don't really want to be there that much just because there is a lot of drama and toxicity. And I mean, I've taken a step back from different Discords for that very reason. But yeah, no drama lives here. Okay, we will get rid of drama-filled people very quickly. Very quickly. 660 on gold in Asia. Ooh, nice. Girl, you are loving your gold Asia sessions, ain't ya? Not bipolar enough for me, though. Timbo, not you want toxicity in your trading. No, I was watching Zero Day J's video the other day, and he's been watching gold a little bit more often too, because he hasn't been having the best time with NASDAQ since the inauguration, and a lot of us aren't. I was just telling Amelia this in DMs last night. I'm like, I noticed that a lot of us must be momentum traders, because even though so many of us trade so differently, the fact that so many people hate this slow grinding market says a lot. Says a lot, because we just trade so differently. Let's see, we got another minute before I can get in to trades again. Talk about toxic. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? I don't know why I didn't see your message at first. Oh, I know why. It scrolled down too far. I'm sorry. Good morning. You were long from the bottom and closed. Aye. Peace is heaven and don't let. I swear, Janelle, can't do it. Can't. All right, it's almost time. It's never without a bit of psycho damage. Oh my goodness. All right. I also think eventually it's going to be so easy for me to remember these rules compared to some of my other ways I was trying to trade before. So that's also a good thing. So much love, I couldn't make it. Still haven't figured out the divergence when the zigzag is already the correct color. I don't have enough data for that yet, so we'll just let that simmer. And then, like I said, I still need enough data for this type of divergence, counter trend, and with the direction of the trend, and then I'll be good. I will be good to go. The pullback reversal bars have had a lot of volume in them every time, which invalidates my setups unless like the entry bar has like a level attached to it, which it has not this morning. What is that up there? 881. $263, $255. $309. Oop, no. Zigzag's attached to the wrong freaking bar. Was looking for the reversal up, but the zigzag just changed colors. All right, let's see what we do with this rotation level. See if we actually reject to continue the downtrend or we push back up. Still not what I'm looking for. Oh, 13. Okay. Baby, are you going to slow down at some point? No, you're not. Okay. Flag is. I can't even tell. We rejected the change. I was looking for the pullback there to continue up, but as you could see, we rejected instead. Revised 583.73. It's funny, Moses. I was just gonna come back and say, all right, since the short didn't get all the way up there, because I don't think it did. I don't remember. What are you looking for to buy? I literally was just about to ask you that. So 583.73. Would have got short, but it pushed too far off your minor trend. Hey, shut up, Trenches. You are so irky, bro. So irky. No, power squawking at the moment. Short at 670. Up 417. I saying, but go Met, you got it. Nice trading. Even though you got out too early. But at least you got it back. That's what matters most. I cannot stand Trenches. I just want y'all to know. I can't. I cannot. All right, come on. Let's do something here. Oh, now here's a problem. I don't know if I have to clear this upside pressure line or not. Questions that need answers. That wasn't a valid pullback anyway, so we're good there. Okay. That counter trend divergence might be valid. I'm not really sure. I don't really like taking them. Yeah, I don't like taking them off the solo half trend like that, personally. I prefer because I really prefer for us to be below that level, to be honest with you. Now, I could have taken this one though. That I could have done, and I would have gotten filled, and I would have won. I don't mind taking pullbacks there, but not divergence. That was a setup, right? Yeah. With this one, I kind of wanted to see it work out first because I just put it back in. I used to not take that particular volume pattern at all. So I didn't really feel completely comfortable taking it. But now seeing it work out, I think we're good. It's basically because the data that I had included, oh shoot, break even. Oh, never mind. All right, that's cool. I didn't realize the zigzag wasn't attached to the correct bar. But either way, what was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh, yeah. I realized that there's the certain pullback that was causing the losses wasn't like the regular lower high to lower low to lower high combo. It wasn't that. It was the one that I got rid of, the one that looks like this, that was causing the losses. So, yeah. All right. Back inside of this level. All right, that invalidates that. To remember to upload. Up 500 done for the day. Are you done for real? Have to remember to upload P&L screenshots on Discord. Me too. But that's just because I've been so MIA doing all this damn studying and stuff. I don't even think I finished upload. I did not. I was supposed to upload everything yesterday and I guess I forgot again. Risking $300 on that trade to make 250. That's not bad. Good morning, Tico. Good morning. Good morning. So it worked out on the pullback reversal. Yeah, it did work out right here. But yeah, so this particular reversal like this, the lower high to higher low, I don't like trading it in the direction of the trend because like I said, it's considered a no interest reversal. So just from the sound of it, uh the way that it is, it makes more sense for it to be counter trend. The only thing is the zigzag wasn't attached, so I wasn't supposed to be in. So I tried to break even, but it just took off anyway, so it didn't even really matter. But it got the full win on my follower, but on my leader, it hit the break even or whatever. But yeah, I think today I'm going to look at this reversal, the counter trend. Like I said, I don't like it for the with the trend, but let's see. That next pullback I can't take. So yeah, I'm gonna look at that. I'm still gonna continue recording all the divergences that look like this, lower high to higher high, and vice versa for trend and counter trend. Because they work out, but I just don't have the pattern right yet. Wait, we didn't hit your level, did we? $583. Nope. We stopped about 10 points short. Oh, wait. Oh, we did. I'm tripping. Where's your TP, Moses? Trading with the flu the last few days. I hope you feel better. Was it one of your kids that gave it to you? Because you know, when we get stuff from kids, baby, we be down. They might have one little day where they don't feel good, but then they running around the house and it's like, why I can't recover like that no more? Why? Why? Okay, I also don't really know about the divergence that ends with the double top or double bottom yet, so not taking those either. I don't know if they need to be different because they used to, but the volume pattern is correct for this. I just don't know with that double top. Yep, see? Because the way I used to trade, the double top and double bottom ends, oh, sorry. They worked out different when I used to trade with order flow. So we still got to figure that out. Your boy I told you. I knew it had to be from the kids. He was up at 12 a.m. screaming it. Aww. I hope everybody feels better. Less than... Ooh, I don't like how that rejected. Hit the target on my follower. I must have had a really good entry on that follower that I didn't have on the leader. I don't really like how we initially rejected, zigzag changed and everything. That wasn't cute. But it was a play off of the prior low. And it worked out. Won't take this one though, because you can see the buyers are starting to give in a little bit here. About 500 less volume in that swing than the previous swing up. Now, if I can figure out how to trade these pullbacks, if it ever works out, I don't really think that it does consistently. I think that this just had a nice push off of the prior low, but maybe it's that I can take the trades when the volume decreases like this, as long as my entry bar touches the level. I don't know. I haven't tested it to see. But yeah. Most of the time, those trades don't work out. Oh, because it's backwards on there. All right, there we go. Oh, so it's actually the, what the hell? It's not what I wanted. Mark trade performance. So which trade screwed me? Why is this like I didn't take trades on this? Okay, it actually is there. I don't know what that's about. 53. For whatever reason, my Top Step account is not showing in my trade performance at the moment. So I can't see why I have less in that account. No idea. I'm telling you, once I figured this divergence out, I'm gonna be good money, okay? All right, well, shit. It's 170 ticks off of that divergence down there. Zigzag's not attached. Damn it. $180 tick move right there off of that divergence. Good bounce. Your next target is still at 761.25 for the short. Got about 20 points to go. What's the 3,000? So let's mark the 330. It's 90% of the time delivers on that level. Is that what, Moses, what time zone is that? You're only hitting 40% on the low volume trades, Sam. Not enough volume in that swing down, so we wait. Well, I tried to get in for the buy. Jeez Louise. All right, let me mark that on my chart. Take profit before entry. Oh yeah, that was a complete skip through. That's what the inside of the bar looks like. No fill there. But it did exactly what I wanted. Came down, touched the bias change zone, pushed up 25 ticks, 26 ticks, kept it moving. Mark the candle on the 1 minute chart. Put my sell order for a little bit above just for a safety net. And it's acting like good resistance. I got you, I got you. 1 minute chart. No, Moses, I mean, when you said you marked the 3:30 a.m. to 4:50 a.m., what time zone is what I meant. Sorry. Journaling like a madman this past week with all the choppy low volume. Yeah, this is, and honestly saying, the thing is, if we can, because we are momentum traders, I feel like if we can master it, we'll be good. But it's just a matter of getting there. It's gonna take some time, but I think we've had enough like of the lower volatility and lower volume days to make it work. We just got to figure out how to analyze the data properly to do it. Because imagine being able to trade well when the market has a lot of volume and when it's low volume, man, you're unstoppable at that point. I was looking for the play down, but it didn't happen. Zigzag changed on me. It's kind of looking for the rejection off the change zone, plus it would have rotated over the sell rotation level. It doesn't look like it wants to continue this downtrend. It's probably just a pullback on the 5-minute chart, yeah. It's looking like the 5-minute chart wants to do a 1-bar pullback possibly. Nope. Damn. Damn. Probably would have liked that better if this entry bar didn't touch the bottom. I'm still working on how to trade at the zones the way I want to. That's okay. Is it gonna stop me out? Yep, to go where exactly where I wanted it to go. How wonderful. I think the zone play was fine, but I don't know if I like how it rotated there between this bar and that one. Still not completely sure. It's something that I've been looking at trades that happen at the zone almost every day. And I'm just still trying to narrow it down to what I want to see and what I don't want to see. But hey, these accounts gotta go or blow regardless, so we're still gonna take them at the zone. Matter of fact, you're so exhausted with meetings. Good morning, Applejacks. I would ask how you're doing, but you're exhausted from meetings. Oh, Eastern, I got you. So, I'm pretty sure, Moses, where I draw the overnight high and low, I think I do it off of the same time. I do 2:30 to 3:30 Central Standard Time. Or no, 2:30 to 3 o'clock Central Standard Time. That's what I do. Learning new ways as I practice on sim, and that's the best way to do it. Okay, Trace, I'm going during this session. I'm out. See you, Janelle. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully I stay green. Getting success on mainly $40 to $60 scalps with the low volume. And losses close to So when it's low volume, you need to go for smaller targets, which makes sense. Stop scheduling meetings during my trading time. Maybe they trying to tell you to stop trying to trade during their meeting time, ma'am. All right, let's see. Less than to be greater than 190. I don't know how much I like that though, because we're still kind of close to where I would have to break even. Okay, now we're not. If we can get the volume to push, it might continue down. And actually now that it validated itself. Once we got so much volume in that swing down, it invalidated itself. Not making money on company time. Just regurgitate the same things. I swear, saying, not fuck they meetings. I need a nap. I kind of do too. I'm not gonna lie. I went to bed at like 4 this morning again, but I did take a big fat ass nap yesterday, so that's probably why. Oh my God, you guys. There was nothing wrong with this trade. Why did I forget about crude? I just saw it blue on my screen just now. I am an idiot. Oh my God. I forgot about crude oil. Since it was medium impact, I wasn't supposed to start trading until 9:32, and this candle was at 9:30 and 41 seconds. What an idiot I am. I just lost money for no damn reason. I mean, I'm so upset that I made that mistake. Oh my gosh. Before Applejacks get on my head about calling myself an idiot. I corrected myself, ma'am. Dang, how did I forget? Oh, I know why. Because the damn news sound didn't happen. I mean, but it's still my fault because it's literally right here at the top of my screen. I just looked up like, why is that blue? We didn't have a news event just now. Oh, yes, we did, ma'am. We did actually. Goodness gracious. Oh my God. No. All right, yeah. I'm done playing off of the zones for now. Because that's going to irritate me. Losing like that is going to irritate me. So no more zones for me. Well. Yes, I will. But not in the direction of the trend. Why does I keep doing that? I just lost this trade right here. So I think, yeah, I'm just done playing with the zone right now. From green to red. Well, I'm red on one account. So that also means that I'm just going to have to full port tomorrow. Well, the next 2 days. I wonder why it's not working out so well today. It normally does. Who's talking? What did Trump just tweet, y'all? God damn it. I don't know if y'all noticed, but a lot of times when we have the volume spikes, it's around 9:38. Oh my goodness. He hasn't even tweeted. Who's talking? Oh wait, that's not him. Is that him? It is him. God damn it. Who's talking and why? But this is what burns. Look where I got in. And look how far we went up. We went up like 175 ticks from my entry up there. Tell me you hate me without telling me you hate me. Because there's no other reason. Goodness gracious. That's so annoying. Oh, that just pissed me off. And then to lose the one trade with crew because I wasn't paying attention to the news. Like, ugh. Come on. But I might just do away with trading at the zone, except when it's counter trend. Counter trend, I don't think I would ever stop. 61. 69, there's not enough volume there. I don't think I would ever stop using it with counter trend because it kind of makes more sense to trade it with counter trend anyway. Because when we're stuck at the zone, when we change directions, it kind of makes it seem like it's trying to reject the change initially. So I used to not trade at the zone at all. But at least if it's counter trend, it makes sense because we're rejecting the uptrend, if that makes sense. So we'll see. I don't know. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Target hit and filled. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. At least I got more trades in today, but yeah, the zone trades are going to drive me insane. It's either that or it could be that as well. So my other theory, and I also have already been looking at this, I have certain trades where like I'm looking for something specific in the volume pattern. However, if the entry bar is attached to a level, it kind of negates it. So what I think needs to happen when I'm trading just the regular pullbacks, not counter trend, when we're trading off of the zone, in order for like I count this as a level, the red line or the green line if it's an uptrend, but I think I need to stop counting that as one. So I'm on 48. Yeah, I think I need to stop counting it as a level, basically. So if I take a play off of it and it needs to have a level attached to it because volume has negated the trade, it needs to have something else other than the zone. It needs to be either the rotation level or VWAP or a pivot level. So like on this trade right here, you can see the only thing that was, the only level that was attached to the entry bar was the zone, basically. So I think I have to stop treating that as a level, more than likely. That's what it's looking like. There's not much left in that account. What does that say? 568. I'm just still so mad about this Apex account because it was so close to passing so many goddamn on times. It's just so disappointing. Very disappointing. It's still in Monday's range. Just making a pendant flag on the candle charts. Which time frame? Because it's not on the 5-minute. Oh, I cannot believe that I just completely forgot about the news like that. What a cuckoo bird I am. Let's see. Man, oh man. Everything was going so well. All right, I gotta write down zone trades again. Because I'm going to figure it out. $317. Are you gonna stop me out again? Oh no. All right, you guys. I don't know. I don't know. I can't really do anything about that one. That was like a perfect setup. I also sometimes, like when we have the random volume spikes like that, I just kind of want to be done for the day. Because at that point, like I really don't trust the volatility at all. Oh, I just missed that one. That would have been a break even anyway. But yeah, I don't trust the market anymore because now you're not painting consistent patterns. You're just doing these spiky thingies and I don't like it. I don't like it. Well, the Top Step account is almost blown. There's only like $300 left in that one. And when this Apex one blows, I'm going to be blown because I was one trade away 4 times, 3 or 4 times. What's the rotation on the chart? Basically in a downtrend, it paints the rotation level at the last higher low. Basically saying that, hey, we need to break the higher low in order to continue the trend. Another thing that I've been wanting to look at, did that happen today? Actually, it didn't even happen today, so never mind. But yeah, that's what it is. Search key support. What did you say? 687 to 694. There that is. That long ass report needs. I'm chilling the rest of the day. I feel you. This is not total chop. Yeah, Amelia, I'm glad it's not total chop, but now I'm just like, I don't know. Ever since I took that accidental trade, or I can't say accidental, I did it on purpose, but I didn't realize it was news. Everything's been going downhill ever since. My gosh. I'm not happy about that. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. But like trades like this that lose, I'm okay with those. Because statistically speaking, they work out. So what can I do, you know? But it's the... Yeah, so far that's been a trade that works out each time. So what can I do? Nothing. 237. Now look, this is the same trade. And now I don't want to get into it because it just lost. Unless I just need to reevaluate my data. That could be it as well. Because I do have to remember, I only have about like 2 weeks worth of data. So Jesus, that immediately rejected. My gosh. I'm gonna tell you guys, the only reason I felt comfortable taking the trade is because we had a level attached to it. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have wanted to take it, to be honest. It would be really nice if I can actually see my freaking trades on the Top Step account. Why is it not generating? So annoying. So I have no clue what it's doing over there. Very fucking annoying. Bro, I'm still in the trade on the follower. What the fuck? I don't get this dumb shit. $343. Not what I'm looking for. All right. No problem, Moses. What are we trading right now? Support can't short here unless we break it to the downside. Until then, it's huge support. The daily chart is disgusting. I forgot who. I think I was watching one of Nutty's playbacks maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. And he was showing the daily chart, and I was like, what is that? Because I don't ever look at anything besides the 5 minute if I do want to just see what a time-based chart looks like. Sometimes the 1 minute. All right, see you, Moses. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, not skip class. See you tomorrow. Horrible influence here. Horrible. All right, so we're back to green and break even. Yuck. Still not happy about that one trade. I feel like once I have like a whole month's worth of data, I'll feel a lot better. But for now, I still don't have enough, so losses are just gonna happen. They're gonna happen anyway, but all right, now that all right, no, it didn't. Okay, cool. All right, edge. Got a 1 bar pullback there. At least I don't have a lot of stuff I need to study and look over today. That makes me happy. Very happy. I still don't understand why Top Step is not generating in my freaking report. All right, so 1, 2, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades today. Wait, really? Yeah, 8. That's more like it. Now, after I go and study a little bit, it's probably going to be down to like, well, I know 7 for sure since the crude oil trade. But it's probably going to be like 5 by the time I'm done, which is fine because I still haven't added in one of the divergence types. So the goal is really to have at least 5 to 8 valid setups today, so that when trades like this, if this still ends up being a valid trade by the time I'm done, which it likely will, but when trades like that lose, it's like, whatever, we got enough opportunities to cover that, covered it right back the very next trade type of thing. Okay, we're stalling here. Only got 2 minutes left. So for the next 2 days, I'm not going to full port the Apex account, but something close to it, because I basically still need like about $1,400. Well, no, today's Wednesday. I don't know. I'm going to have to see what today looks like after I study. Because if it looked like a pretty decent day P&L wise, I probably will, more than likely, I'm just going to do 5 contracts the rest of the next 2 days. See if we can pass it. Because to get back to full drawdown on that account, I basically need to pass it. Because I think it was only like $120 away from passing to begin with. The Top Step account, I definitely have to do 5 contracts because I need about $1,300 left on that, so they're about the same. So we'll just probably do 5 contracts on both accounts for the next 2 days and just leave it at that. Buyers are in control in the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, this definitely was just a pullback on the 5 minute chart. The downtrend was. It's probably why each of my sales was met with a zigzag change almost immediately each time. So I kind of got into sales here. But at the end of the day, it still is the pullback of the trends. So, and the very next sale worked out just fine. All right. Okay, so not a horrible day. Again, giving myself grace for this is where we'll be at 2 weeks of trading volume only on Friday. So I'm not even 2 weeks in. And I haven't had that many red days. If I can get to my trade performance. All right, so like I said, I took 8 trades. No, I did not. 1, 2, I can't count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, no, yes, I did. So took 8 trades. I won 5 and lost 3. Again, not horrible, especially because one of the trades I already know is invalid because of the news. So not a bad day whatsoever. I got a couple of things I want to look at. I want to look at trades at the zones. Again, I literally wrote that. I wrote zone trades ... again. I also want to look at the no interest reversals that are counter trend, because those happened a couple of times today, and I'm pretty sure they worked out almost each and every time. I think the 2 times that it didn't work out was the pattern that I already know doesn't really work for it. So we'll see. And that's really it. I just need to look at those 2 things, and then just continuing to look at the divergence that looks like this counter trend and the direction of the trend, just continuing to record those because I still don't have enough data to feel comfortable taking the trades. Now, the ones that look like this, higher high to higher high, I'm pretty much set in what I have at this point. I don't think that's going to change unless I start losing a whole bunch. But I mean, these 2 were invalid, and you see they didn't work out. So I think I'll be okay with that. I think I only took one of those divergences today. That's the only one that set up and it worked. So we'll see. Thank you for giving yourself grace. No problem. I learned from you. But yeah, so I'm going to go do that, and I'm going to upload my P&Ls from last Friday to today once I'm done, and we'll just kind of go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the stream and enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.